Hello everyone, it's Emeka and welcome to this tutorial. Okay, so a couple of you guys asked for a cool chord movement. Okay, so I decided to make a video to show you a chord movement that you can add to your playing that will make your playing sound really interesting. And this chord movement can be used to replace a 4-5 chord progression. So whenever you see a 4-5 chord progression in any song, all you have to do is play the chord movement I'm about to show you. So I'm going to do two things in this tutorial. I'm going to show you the chord movement. I'm going to show you the chord movement and break it down for you. That's one. The second thing I'm going to do is we're going to apply it to a song so that you'll be able to understand how to use it. Okay, and we're going to be in the key of C major. Okay, so let me show you the C major scale, and I'm going to show you the chord movement. So the C major scale briefly, C is the first note of the scale. So C is the 1, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the fourth note of the scale, so F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is the 7, and back to the 1, which is the C. So that's the C major scale, okay? So let me show you the chord movement. The chord movement sounds something like this. One more time. Okay, now that sounded really simple, but it's not simple, okay? And I'm also going to show you how to use it. So let me first of all start off by showing you the chords I played right now. I started off with the A minor 6 chord. I had A, F sharp on my left hand, then C, E, F sharp, C on my right hand, okay? So that's the A minor 6. And then the next chord I went to was a C dominant 13, note 3. I played C, G, B flat on my left hand. Then I played F, A, D on my right hand, okay? So we have this. So the first chord was the A minor 6, then to the C dominant 13, note 3. Then the next chord we played was the F major chord, C, F, A on the left hand and F, A on the right hand, okay? And then we went to the C diminished 7 chord, C, A on the left hand, and C, E flat, G flat, A on the right hand. And the last chord in the chord progression is going to be the G major add 9 chord. So you play D, G, A, B on the left hand and D, G, A, D on the right hand. So the whole chord movement is A minor 6, C dominant 1303, F major, C diminished 7, and then G major add 9. So we'll play like this. Well, although the chords are kind of big, it's actually very simple to learn, and it's not going to take you 10 minutes to learn this. 5 minutes max, you would have learned this chord progression. But now let me show you how to apply this chord progression in a song, okay? So let's imagine we had the church song, I will enter his gates, and the song goes something like this. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. Look at what I played right now. I played a 1-4-5-1 chord progression. I started off with this one chord. I will enter. I went to the 4 chord. Those gates. Then I went to the 5 chord. With thanksgiving. Then I went back to the 1 chord in my life. So that's a 1-4-5-1 chord progression. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to replace the 4-5 chord progression with a chord movement. And if we do that, this whole song is going to sound something like this. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. One more time. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. For the last time. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. Woo! So just check out what happened there. Instead of playing the simple 1-4-5-1 chord progression, I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. I played I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. That sounds much more exciting, interesting, and a little bit professional. Okay, the only thing is you don't need to do this too much or you're going to spoil the song. So I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my life. So this is a very cool chord progression or cool chord movement that you can add to your playing that'll give your playing that extra spice, okay, that you need. And how do you use this chord? How do you use this chord movement? Very simple. Look for 4-5 chord progression. In the key of C, the 4-5 chord progression is going to be F major to G major. So wherever you see the 4-5 chord progression, just replace it with the A minor 6 to the C dominant 13 to the 3 to the F major to the C diminished 7 and to the G major at 9. Finish. That's all you have to do. And I'm sure if you add this to your playing is going to have that extra vibe that you want it to have. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for now. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. By the way, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I promise you I'm going to answer your questions. Bye for now.